Riley, what do you think of these? Look, the little fruit. For little playtime, what do you think? Huh? Should we get these for little playtime? It's a little strawberry and a pear. Why does Riley never get excited about toys? Huh? Why don't you care about toys? No? Not interested? Is there anything else here? I don't see, there's no big toy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look, a Hermie pack. Oh my goodness, there's like 3 different Hermies that she doesn't care about. You like them? No, you already have a Hermie? Is there any little toys that you want? Look, Mommy's making a mess, dropping stuff. Those are too big. No, you're not interested in that either, huh? Oh man. Why don't you want anything? All right, get down. All right, we'll keep looking. All right, let's see what she thinks about this. Oh. Oh my goodness. That is so funny. This says it's a big deal because it's got catnip. What about this? Oh my goodness, I'd love to see her during playtime with this thing. No? You want it? Yes or no? No? Not interested. Oh boy, this puppy doesn't really want anything, huh? Do you want anything? No? All right. She's so good. You want to go home? We'll go home now? All right. All right. We tried to get Riley a toy, but Riley is definitely not interested in any more toys. I guess she feels like she has enough. So, all right, let's go home.